Curious about sharing experiences and moments with your friends on Telegram? In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through how to put a story on Telegram using the latest features available right now. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create, edit, and post your story just like you do on other social apps, but with Telegram's own unique twists. First things first, if you tried posting a story on Telegram back in 2021, you probably noticed the option just didn't exist. Telegram introduced stories for premium users in July 2023, and pretty soon after, by August, it became available for everyone to celebrate their 10th anniversary. So if you were searching for this feature before, that's why it wasn't there. But don't worry, in 2024, posting a story on Telegram is quick and simple. Let's dive in. Start by opening the Telegram app on your mobile device. Now, depending on your app version or device, you'll spot the Stories section in a couple different places. Usually, you'll see it at the very top of your chat list. You might need to pull down on the screen just a little bit to reveal it. Alternatively, there might be a camera icon or a button that says My Story with a plus sign, often tucked in the upper left or bottom right corner. So if you don't see it immediately, give your screen a gentle tug down or look for that familiar camera symbol. Go ahead and tap on the icon or button to open the story editor. This is where the creativity begins. Telegram gives you a couple of options here. You can snap a fresh photo or record a new video directly in the app if you want to capture something spontaneous. Or if you prefer, you can pick a favorite photo or video from your device's gallery. What's really neat is the dual camera mode, which lets you use both the front and rear cameras at the same time. For example, you can record yourself reacting to something while showing what you're looking at. Imagine streaming both your face and the concert you're at. It's a fun way to give your friends a fuller view of what's happening. Once you've got your photo or video selected, you can start editing your story. Telegram's media editor is surprisingly powerful. Feel free to add some text to give context, throw on stickers or GIFs for personality, or tag your location if you're out and about and want to share where you are. You can even add music to really capture the mood. Don't worry if editing feels new to you. Take a few moments to play around, swipe through the options, and see what you like. If you make a mistake or want to change something, you can always undo or start over. Next up, you'll pick your story's duration and privacy settings. Telegram lets you decide how long your story stays up. Choices include 6, 12, 24, or 48 hours, or you can set it to stick around permanently on your profile. Think about whether you want this moment to be quick and fleeting, or if you want people to see it even days later. Privacy is important too. You can share your story with everyone, just your contacts, a specific group of close friends, or hand-pick selected contacts one by one. If you're unsure, you can always start with sharing to My Contacts and adjust later as you get more comfortable. Last but not least, tap the Post Story or Send button to publish. That's it, your story is now live and visible to whoever you chose. If you ever want to check on it, simply go back to the Stories section at the top of the chat list and tap your story. And there you have it. You now know how to share stories on Telegram and make the most out of these features. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, drop any questions you have in the comments. I'm always here to help, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering your favorite apps. Thanks for watching and happy posting.